How to recover WhatsApp chat without Google Drive. If you recently deleted WhatsApp chat in the midst of your Google Drive backup, it can be a bit tricky to restore it. So, from there, in that case, we will explore how to restore it from your local WhatsApp chat database. So, first thing first, you have to go to the settings on your device and then you have to scroll all the way down and select apps. Here you need to select app management and tap on the search bar at the top and write in here WhatsApp. Open it. This will take you to the app info page of WhatsApp where you have to tap on the storage uses and clear all the cache. Once you have done that, you have to go and open the internet or file manager. Open it. You have to scroll down and select internal storage at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you get access here, tap on Android at the top left corner of the screen and now tap on Media. Here you can see com.whatsapp at the bottom left corner. Tap on it and now select WhatsApp. Select databases and here you will see different file. Use this app to tap and hold and choose every file here and tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on copy to and now select internal storage. Select Android, Media, com.whatsapp, WhatsApp, and here you can select the option of backups and you can add new folder or you can also tap on WhatsApp backup and here you can create new folder here, so you can name it anyone you wish to and you can copy to folder. Once you have done that, it has already been pasted there. So that is how you can easily recover WhatsApp chat without Google Drive. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.